Creating quotes. From the Home page, under the User tab, select the Quotes tile. On the Quotes page, you will see search functionality for existing quotes, as well as the ability to create a new quote. Below, you will see some test quotes that have already been input into the system. We will go ahead and input another one, so let's select Create New Quote. On the Manual Quote page, we can input the necessary information. First is quote name, which we will call quote number 2. There are two types. We will go ahead and select quote. Next is the site name, which is simply the customer's name. We can type in our customer's name, Jones, and you see the system recognizes the short name for this customer. Now we can input any notes that are necessary, so we will input service estimate along with the quantity, 1, unit price, 100, and tax rate, 8%. In the next section, we can further refine this quote by selecting a date and recipient, which is titled Attention of. You can see the address has already been autofilled from previous information. Next is the quote terms, and these two default dates can be customized to your business needs and practices. Any kind of narrative that is necessary for the quote itself can be input, so we will re-enter service estimate in both boxes. Now that we have the information set to go, we can view this quote. Select Preview Quote, and the quote will appear as input. If everything is OK, we can select Finalize Quote, and you will see it saved successfully by the green box at the top. Let's say some time has passed, and the customer has reviewed and accepted the quote. We can go through the search process just as we did at the beginning of this video to arrive back at this screen once again. Now we can select Quote Accepted, and your system will save it successfully. If for some reason we need to cancel this quote, simply select Cancel Accepted Quote, and it goes back to the original saved version of the quote before it was previewed and accepted. In order to attach this quote to a specific job, we can select Raise Job, and our list of open jobs appears. Over on the right side of each job is a place to assign the quote. Let's say this relates to the 4th job. Click on Assign Quote. You will see a confirmation box appears stating the quote has been successfully assigned. Click on Done to return to the Quotes page. Next, we see the list of quotes, and by selecting the quote number in blue, the Accepted Quote page appears. From this page, you can go to the job itself to view the details of that particular job.